Hi, today we are going to make barracuda fish masala. You can take medium sized barracuda and with a little bit of turmeric, salt, and chili powder and lemon juice, marinate it for some time, and then you have to fry it in the oil. I have used mustard oil. You can use either sunflower or any refined oil for that matter. For making this barracuda fish masala, we would require the following ingredients here. This is mustard seeds, grated onion, grated tomatoes. This is a small kind of powder which we have prepared internally. This is made from fenugreek seeds, cumin seeds, and fennel seeds. So three seeds are made into a powder. So this gives a very good taste to the masala. We have garlic and ginger paste. This is tamarind water. Tamarind we have put it in water so that it is fully mixed the water. And here the not the raw powder, but it's the powder of the spices, the turmeric, chili powder, and coriander. So this is the main ingredient which you require. Along with it, we require curry leaves, coriander, green chilies. So make all this ingredient ready with you before you start the cooking. So we'll start by heating our pan on the stove. We are heating the oil. Now we'll put the mustard seeds. Once the seed starts to crackle, you can put the green chilies. And we'll add curry leaves. We'll add the onion, grated on the onion. The curry leaves and the onion has given a nice aroma. Gently stir this grated onion with the leaves. Now on this we'll put the ginger garlic paste. Now we'll add this grated tomato. This is now the masala is ready. We had covered the lid on the masala. Now this masala, you can see the masala is ready by now. We had added the grated onion and the tomatoes. Both have been mixed nicely, thoroughly. Now it's time to add the powders, the chili, turmeric, and the coriander powder. This will be added onto the paste. You can see the masala is ready now. Now it's time to put the tamarind. We have removed the tamarind pulp from the water. We'll add this tamarind water into this masala. give it a boil. After that we have to add the powder which we have shown to you earlier. This is the powder which is made from garlic, cumin and fennel seeds. Yeah, we are going to add the powder. And then we'll add more water to it. One to 2 cups of water. To your taste once and cover the lid. After 3 minutes of boiling, we remove the lid and now we'll add the fish fries. And again cover the lid and allow it to simmer for 5 minutes. Almost 5 minutes of boiling. It's time to remove the lid. It's the moment of truth. Wow! See the color, the rich color. It has come out very nicely. All pieces are intact. Now we'll remove the fish fry and the gravy. It's ready to be served. You can serve this fish masala, Barakuda masala, with hot steamed rice. You can also garnish the fish masala with little bit of coriander leaves, chopped coriander leaves. So this is what Barakuda masala, little spicy Barakuda masala.